So hello guys, today I am back with a new tutorial where I left behind this one fourth topic, enumerating web applications on web server. So what basically is enumerating applications on web server? Here we are basically finding applications, how many applications are there on a single web server. Now you might have heard there is a hosting provider called as GoDaddy, Hostinger, and so what they do is if your website is not having lot of traffic, they will put these low traffic websites on a single server, and therefore it will reduce the cost. So basically cheap hosting providers are shared hosting providers. So how to find out how many web applications are running on a single web server? Now what happens in a organization to save a cost and a per server RAM and all resources, so they will be hosting, organization will be hosting multiple domains on a single web server. So how to find out? So there is a black box approach to this, because no one gives perfect information on perfect information to public how many websites are hosted on their single server. There is only black box testing. So first thing is we will be finding it out based on the URLs. So here we will be finding out subdomains. So there could be two methods where company will host their subdomains. So this is the first method where a subdomain is here. In most of the tools which we will be using like a sublister or AMAS and all, what they try to do is they try to brute force this first type of subdomain, but always remember that there is also second type of subdomain hosting, like your domain.com. say for example google.com can host a subdomain called as maps. So here they can host maps, but right now it's maps.google.com, but they can also do it in a different way. Right now I don't have any demo to show this kind of thing, but I have these things. For example, see this pcmac.com. So in is a subdomain for this, whereas pcmac.com is the full domain. First domain, this is a subdomain in.pcmac.com. So this is the first method of getting to know that there are two different web applications hosted. This pcmac.com is a first application, and that in.pcmac.com is the second web application hosted in a subdomain. So second thing is the company or an organization can host multiple websites or multiple web applications on different ports. So 80 is a one thing, 443 8080, and there are multiple ways to do it as per the web server and the organization requirement. So I will show you a demo of this on a Shodan. So it's very easy to check. So once we are on a Shodan, I'll log in. What we will try to do is try to write just 8080. Here we'll get ports. Okay, so here is so see we are getting a query. We will remove this one and we will only write port 8080. So 8083, sorry, and we are getting only results which web servers where there is a web application running on. So what this says 8083, see 8083. So this results will be that all of these results will be having this one port running. At least this one port is there. Maximum there could be any number of ports open, but at least this port is open in this results. So see, this port is this is HTTP 8080. Here 8081 is also a web server, but it is saying unauthorized. Here is also HTTP. Here is also another HTTP server. That means this web application, this IP address is hosting minimum 4 web servers. Now there could be multiple virtual hosts running on this, and this could be hosting multiple websites, but right now at this moment we are able to find only 4. So we'll go to next thing. There is also something called as reverse IP lookup, and there is also a manual method, but we are not going to look at it because that is not important. But always keep in mind, from certificates, SSL certificate, for example this certificate, you can search here. For whom it is given. Issuer is given. See, issuer is there, and for which subdomain it is given, it is written over here clearly. So as this is a Cloudflare certificate, we will not be able to get subdomains and all in a perfect way. But always remember that something, always try to check these certificates. Sometime this will have a juicy information, but we are always going to go with the reverse IP lookup. So we have a website called hostingfacts.com, and we want to check how many web applications like this are hosted, or wherever this website is hosted, how many other web applications are hosted on it. So I write here hostingfacts.com. This is basically a reverse IP lookup. So I write here hostingfacts.com, and see there are 3 applications, total 3 applications hosted. See, there is another website which is also giving us the same result. This is also reverse IP lookup. So I have also tried to show you a second example where pcmac.com is also, we are also going to do a reverse IP lookup on pcmac.com. So here only single website is hosted, and also other information is given to us. So we will go into this other information later on, but as of now, please keep in mind that to enumerate web applications on web server, here basically we are trying to find out how many web applications are there on a single web server, or basically on a single IP address. So this is it. So little bit of other information. There is a Telegram channel which you can join. This is public Telegram channel where I post other bug bounty POCs and all. Also I will be taking courses on Saturdays and Sundays, which is going to be free. All of you can join these courses. So this is our Telegram channel. So here is the link. You just have to write @websecurity101. This is a small channel, small number of people are there right now, but I am hoping you guys will soon join this channel and make it a big channel. Thank you.